kasama mo.
Celebrating a 63rd year anniversary milestone is a big achievement in itself. It's a celebration for all who have been a part of the station through all those years. It is particularly gratifying to be celebrating this anniversary as the future of RMN looks so bright. Today, we all reflect on all the incredible works of DXDC 621 RMN Davao has done over these 63 years to achieve the impossible and deliver compelling capabilities and make an important difference in the lives of the masang Pilipino. You strive to share, adapt, and become the most valuable and impactful RMN station and broadcasters you can be. I would like to congratulate everyone who has been directly and indirectly involved in the success of DXDC 621 RMN Davao. For sure, it's an awesome roller coaster of fun, challenges, and unforgettable experiences. We, your colleagues in RMN, are excited about the opportunities ahead to extend your track record of value creation, innovation, and success in the broadcasting industry. Ang DXDC 621 RMN Davao ay nagsisilbing inspirasyon sa aming mga papaangat pa lamang na RMN at iFM stations. Kayo ang tunay na idol sa buong industriya ng pamamahayag na tatak RMN ang serbisyo publiko. May you all maintain the level of your commitment, learning, quality, and professionalism. Mula po sa iFM Dagupan team, kami ay malugod na bumabati ng happy 63rd anniversary sa lahat ng mga bumubuo ng DXDC 621 RMN Davao. Mabuhay and God bless.
RMN ang kasama mo.